Hi everybody, how are you going today? It's Naviforce here, and today we prepare an unboxing video of the women's watch, and the model number is the NF5022. Okay, now first we will take a look at the packaging here with a white rectangular box, and the white logo is clearly printed at the center, which is very elegant. Okay, now let me open it. First, in your eyes, you can see the guarantee card here. Our warranty period is for 1 year, and this one is the instruction manual for the watch to tell you how to adjust the new watch. Okay, here, this watch is the model that we will unbox, and this model NF5022 also adopt a Japanese quartz movement from the cycle instrument ink. So and the match with nice quality battery, it is very durable to use. Okay, then we take a look at the back side. Here you can see the model number at the center. That is the NF5022, and you can see here the material, the information that is the stainless steel material, and the water resistance is for 3 atm, and our quartz watches all make use of the hardened mineral glass, so that it is quite wear resistant and scratch resistant, so also is durable to wear. And next I will show you the size measurements, and you can see that at the upper right screen, the case diameter of this watch is 36 mm, and the thickness is 9 mm, and it's very important to pay attention to know that the watch case is made of zinc alloy material. Okay, then we will take a look at the dial and the bezel design. As you can see here, the bezel is grooved, and there are indented stripes here. The stripes indented, and they echo the inner dial design here. The scales, the studs and the scales here. So it is quite harmonious and uniform sense, and the numeral scale, the numeral markers at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock position greatly increase the legibility. Also, you can see the motif of the dial is it can reflect the brilliant luster in the sun here, but the black, okay, the black dial is a little unclear, but I will show you the in other colors introduction. Okay, now move on to the strap. Here you can see our strap is made of the stainless steel material, and the total length of this watch is 225 mm, and it is very convenient and comfortable, and the watch strap is quite thin and fit to your wrist. Okay, let me show you the barcode. The 2 buttons. It's very easy to adjust. Okay, finally, let's see all colors of this model. As you can see, there are a total of 6 colors here, and I will show you one by one. And okay, the first one is the silver white. It adopts the silver color, the case lugs and the strap, and the white color dial and the scale. And you can see the sunray pattern, the sunray motif dial now. You can see it reflects the brilliant luster. And the whole design is very concise and easy to match your clothes. And the next one color is the golden green. It's adopt the golden color case lugs and the strap, and the deep green dial, and the white color the scale. So the legibility is very nice. And the next one color is the solid gold. And you can see the strap case and the dial all make use of the golden color, and the scale is the white color. So this one looks quite expensive, and but it's very affordable price. And next one color is the rose gold black. It adopts the rose gold case and the lugs and the black dial and the black stainless steel strap and the scale, the numeral scale, and the stars are white color. And the fifth one color is the rose gold blue. This one adopts the rose gold case lugs and the deep blue dial motif and the stainless steel straps. It looks quite mature, but the style, the sense look also quite elegant and very nice to match your clothes, I think. And the last one color is the rose gold silver, rose gold gray. It's make use of the rose gold case lugs and the stainless steel strap, and the gray color dial is quite special. It looks it delivers a sense of international and very brilliant, I think, in the light. The sense looks very good. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF5022 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram or the Facebook if you guys love us and want to see more. See you next time. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.